Hey, it's Allison from Computers.mom. Every PC owner needs to update their computer periodically. It's just basic maintenance. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10. Starting at the desktop, we need to find the Windows update process. If you see a box like this at the bottom of your screen, you can type in there to search for the Windows update process. You may or may not have that, but everyone will have the Windows Start button right here in the corner. So for consistency, I'm going to turn off the search box and just use the Windows Start button because everyone will have that available. Okay, to find the Windows Update process, click the Start button in the lower left-hand corner, and then just begin typing on your keyboard either the word Windows or the word Update, doesn't really matter which. And a menu comes up in which you'll see this, Check for Updates. Click there, and Windows will go to the web and start checking for any available updates. Now this process can take quite a long time depending on how long it's been since you did the last check and how many updates are available and how fast your computer is and how fast your internet connection is. When it's found all the updates, you'll see a list like this one, which is pretty long. And the updates need to initialize, download, and then install, but not all of them can install at the same time. Often you'll need to install a few of them and then restart your computer. When you're prompted to restart by the update process, you can either click here on the Restart Now button or go down to the Start button, click Power, and then use Restart in the regular menu. Your computer will then shut down and you'll see this screen working on updates for quite a while. When it's finished, you're not done. Go back to the Start menu and start the process all over again. You see I only have to put in 3 letters, Update. Click Check for Updates, and do the whole thing all over again. You'll repeat this process as many times as necessary until it tells you that all the updates are done. Notice that in newer versions of Windows like this, updates are installed automatically, and you only have the choice to pause them for up to 7 days. Another thing that you'll see in newer versions of Windows, and when you have updates waiting to install, a little orange dot will show up in the notifications area down here in the system tray. If you point to that little orange button, it will give you a reminder that you should restart your computer. You'll also see that on the Power button here on the Start menu, telling you that you should update and restart your computer. That's kind of important because a lot of people with laptops never bother to shut down completely. They just put their computers to sleep. Here's another version of the restart screen that you may see. Whichever one you get, make sure to restart your computer, let the updates install once again, and when you get back to your desktop, don't forget to lather, rinse, repeat. Check for updates again until you see this screen telling you that you're finished. You're completely up to date. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Please click like if you found this helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.